Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gift and this is A Digital with Gift, where I show you simple and smart ways to make money online, learn digital skills and grow step by step. I also create and share my own music on this channel, so you'll definitely enjoy the vibe while learning some valuable. If you're ready to level up and start making money from your phone, you're in the right place. Your videos sound noisy because you don't have a mic. Let me show you how to fix it using just your phone.
Alright guys, all you need is just your phone and your internet. Okay, you head over to your Play Store. This is available for both Android users and the iPhone users also. So you go to your search and type noise reducer. See it have already popped up, noise reducer. So here there are many varieties of noise reducer, but this is the one we are using in this video. So you click on it. I think the site should update my listing, but I'm not going to do that in this video. I will update it later. So the app is already existing in my phone, so I'll go to the app. Here is the app, but before I do that, let's play the audio that we are going to remove the noise background. So this is the audio.
Hey guys, look at where I am today. It is incredibly loud, but the energy here is unmatched. Make sure to subscribe for more. Every little step.
So have you seen it? Now let's go to the app. Let's move on to the app. So you tap on it. It doesn't require any registration, blah blah blah. And the best part of it is the app is free, but also the app also have a paid version. But since I've been using this app, I've never paid for anything, so I've been using it for free. So you see here where they say import files, you tap on it and let's look for the video. So yeah, so this is the video. Tap on it. It has started doing its magic. It has started doing its magic. Well, one thing you need to know about this is sometimes it tells you, if you want to save it, it tells you to upgrade, but don't upgrade. It is based on if you are using a large file, a very large file. I downloaded it already in my phone, so let's play it and see the difference.
Hey guys, look at where I am today. It is incredibly loud, but the energy here is unmatched. Make sure to subscribe for more.
Are you seeing something different? Let's play the other one.
Hey guys, look at where I am today. It is incredibly loud, but the energy here is unmatched. Make sure to subscribe for more. Hey guys, look at where I am today. It is incredibly loud, but the energy here is unmatched. Make sure to subscribe for more.
Do you see why I said that this app is a noise reducing app? So what I wanted to say before is that sometimes if you are importing, if you are cleaning a large file, this will pop up. If you want to save it, this thing will pop up. Insufficient balance, upgrade. So for you to upgrade before you save it to your phone. But no, don't upgrade. If you don't have the money, don't upgrade. If you have the money, but if you don't have the money, like new content creators like us, if you don't have the money, just tap on that free 2 minutes. Just tap on it. That's what I've been using. I've not even paid anything in this app. Tap on it and watch ads. I think the ads are like 2 to 3 ads. Watch the ads and you download it to your phone. You download it to your phone successfully. It will download in your phone successfully. Then you play the video. So
thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and help a new content creator by sharing this video to them. And before I forget, I have a new valuable and inspirational song coming up next titled Small Start, Big Win. I'll play a little of it now, then you should watch out for the full song here on this same channel. Love you.
Again. One step forward every day, even if not slow nor run away. Little progress still now in that now where greatness begins. Small part, big win. Just begin. Just begin. No overthink. No delay. Your success stay on the way. Small start, big win. Believe yourself from within, even when nobody see your future loud. Just believe. Even if nobody believe you now, your consistency go show them how. Every effort